Good evening all, you are watching the news now and I'm Arsha Vasudev with the news at 5. So let's have a look with the headlines first. PM chairs emergency meeting on new variant of corona, also talked about vaccination. JKPCC hits back at BJP, calls the J&K administration a puppet in BJP hands. Krunal Pandya steps down at Baroda captain. World races to contain new COVID threat, the Omicron variant. And now the news in detail. The new variant of corona has created a stir in South Africa. At the same time, the Health Ministry of India has asked the states to tighten the screening and testing of international travellers. In the midst of all this, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held an important meeting with top officials on the situation related to coronavirus and vaccination. In this situation, this meeting of the Prime Minister is considered very important. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba, Principal Secretary to Prime Minister P.K. Mishra, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan and Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul were present in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with top government officials on the COVID-19 situation and vaccination. Lashing back at BJP, the senior Congress leader Ghulam Ahmad Mir today said that the government at centre led by the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying every tactic to dupe the people of Jammu and Kashmir. While demanding the compensation for farmers, Mir said that the LG-led administration in J&K is mere a puppet in hands of central government and is not capable of compensating the feeders of the nation.
सरकारें तो काम करती रहती है, अब पुरानी सरकारों को फिर लोग मौका देंगे, यही नौजवान मौका देंगे, हम उनका करेंगे मसला हल क्यों नहीं करेंगे। सरकारी प्रोसीजर में उनका काम चल रहा था, जो उसका मिनिमम पीरियड होता है कैजुअल नीड बेस का, वो पास करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता था और हमने उसकी तैयारी की थी, बजटरी प्रोविजन भी किया था। मैंने 1000 बार ये कहा, अगर फ्लड नहीं आता 2014 में, हमने चुनाव से पहले इन 60,000 लोगों का कैबिनेट में इनका अप्रूवल दे दिया होता। उसके गवाह हैं सारे जो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस और हमारे कांग्रेस के मिनिस्टर्स।
The Kashmir Valley has consumed 64,588 million units of energy, registering a 7.98% rise this year in its power consumption compared to last year's official set. J&K Chief Secretary Arun Kumar Mehta was apprised of the latest trend in power consumption in the valley during a high-level meeting chaired by him to take stock of the functioning of the Union Territory's Power Development Department. Protesting against the government and Jammu Kashmir Transport Authority, the All J&K RTC Voluntary Retired Service Union held a demonstration demanding the implementation of government orders regarding the retired employees. President of the union Devraj Bali alleged that the defiance of orders starts from the office beggars to administration and the order of reversing payments within 5 days stays pending since 5 months now.
यही हमें अंदर से मैसेज आता है कि 1 वीक के अंदर 10 दिन के, लेकिन आज तक नहीं बने। उसके अलावा भी पहले भी सब डिपार्टमेंट के बिल बनकर सिर्फ 2 साल पहले किए थे, जिनका अमाउंट था 16,76,49,497 रुपये, लेकिन आज तक वो रिलीज नहीं हुआ। ऊपर से दूसरा ऑर्डर आ गया है, यानी कि सरकार की कुछ नीति साफ नहीं है, सरकार पैसे देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, वो सिर्फ वर्करों को हरासमेंट कर रही है।
With the aim of strengthening the food safety and regulatory environment and awareness among consumers, the Deputy Commissioner Srinagar, Mohammad Ejaz Asad, today kick-started the Eat Right Challenge, an annual district-wise competition of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India at Nehru Park, Srinagar. This is part of the FSSAI's large-scale initiative called Eat Right India under the aegis of the Ministry of Health to improve public health and combat negative nutritional trends to fight lifestyle disease.
जो ईट हेल्दी लिव हेल्दी का स्लोगन है, उसके तहत यहाँ पर जो हमारे यहाँ सिविल सोसाइटी के लोग और स्टूडेंट्स हमारे एक ही बैनर के तले आए हैं और इन्होंने इसका मकसद ये है कि लोगों के जो फूड हैबिट्स हैं उनको हेल्दी लिविंग की तरफ ले जाया जाए। आपने देखा होगा कि अक्सर डायबिटिक प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, अक्सर कहा जाता है कि लो शुगर की तरफ जाएं, लो साल्ट की तरफ मूव करें, तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी जो ज़ुबान का स्वाद है उसमें और जो हमारा स्टमक है, इन दोनों के बीच में बहुत मिसमैच है। स्टमक शायद कुछ और चाहता है और ज़ुबान कुछ और चाहती है, तो दोनों को बैलेंस करने के लिए जो ईट हेल्दी लिव हेल्दी।
Advanced Research Station for Saffron and Seed Spices KOSK in Pampore, Jammu and Kashmir has started training farmers to grow saffron indoor. Assistant Professor Niyaz Ahmed said that they have been working on indoor saffron cultivation for 4 to 5 years. It's beneficial for landless farmers. They will popularize it. High density is one of the latest technologies that has been introduced to the farmers. This will help in the high production and quality production of saffron. Actor Siddharth Malhotra has commenced the shooting of his film Yoda today. Taking to Instagram stories, Siddharth posted a string of pictures from the sets to share the update with his fans. In the first image, he gave us a glimpse of the film's clapperboard. Yoda begins, he captioned the snap. Backed by Karan Johar's Dharma Production, Yoda is reportedly an aerial action film. Even the Dharma Production handle shared photos that Siddharth began shooting for Yoda. The project is being helped by Pushkar Oja and Sagar Ambre. All-rounder Krunal Pandya has decided to step down as Baroda team captain from the forthcoming domestic season. The 30-year-old informed the Baroda Cricket Association President Pranav Amin through email. In his email, Pandya wrote that this is to put on record that he will be unable to lead Baroda in the current domestic season. Freezing cold conditions eased a bit in Kashmir and Ladakh, with Srinagar recording a minimum temperature of 0.4 degrees Celsius. Quoting a meteorological department official, reported that mercury in Srinagar settled at 0.4 degrees Celsius against previous night's minus 1.3 degrees Celsius. And that's all in this news bulletin. For more updates and latest news, stay tuned with the News Now web and keep watching the News Now.